Hi, my name is Didi, and a year ago I started my Chinese learning journey. I started as a complete beginner because I wanted to learn Chinese because I'm very interested in the culture and the people, and I wanted to be able to hold a conversation. So I used Duolingo. I was a complete beginner, and then I found Xiaoqua Chinese on Instagram, and I made the decision to start actively learning the language with teachers. And now I'm proud to say I'm at an intermediate level, which means I'm able to listen, understand, and respond to spoken Chinese. I'm able to think in Chinese now, just my daily life, the daily activities I'm doing. I'm able to think about them in Chinese, which is wild to me. And I wanted to get into how I got there, which is through personalized learning. The teachers at Xiaoqua Chinese really want you to succeed. So they have a very hands-on approach. They look at your needs and wants, your goals, and how to achieve them. If something works, you continue, you build off of that. If something doesn't work, you try something different. It's all okay because it's about your personal journey. And now it just feels like every time I end a session, it just feels like I was chatting with a friend. I'm able to share my culture and learn more about Chinese culture through chatting in Chinese, which is surreal. I never realized my improvements so far until I had the realization that I could fully understand the conversations, even if they were about more personal topics or more heavy topics, which makes me realize that it actually works. It works, and I'm at the level that I want to be at. I'm still progressing, but I'm very proud of the improvements I've made so far. And it's all due to the personalized learning. So they really look at you, how to approach it, speaking sessions, in comprehensible input videos. It's focused on you, on your goals and your wants. So I would recommend everyone to join the program because it's the most natural way of learning a language, I feel like, because the results are real. They're there. It's not textbook Chinese, it's real life spoken Chinese. And I would recommend to anyone, invest the time, invest the money, because it's worth it. And if you really want to reach your goals, they will help you. They will help to get you there. They will help to keep you motivated and to really coach you through the program while also being part of a community. All the people are nice. All the people will help you on the journey, and I couldn't recommend it more.